You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And it look like say the Portmore girl them love. No, the reason why me have to say that is because a little incident happened over Portmore this morning involving two So the incident actually involved two gunmen and one wall. Even though it's not a laughing matter, you know how Jamaicans stay. We laugh off of everything. So people, soldier shots cop in reported love triangle in Portmore. Jano Star, Portmore again. Anyway, that we are going to talk about right now.
One man in she hold she like that.
Yeah, Chaddy Marie, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! What a vibes!
No, after this man living in my house, trying to raise him family, and when he turn him back, he sees a gunman in she hole. Yo, but on a big man level, I could have what really caused this. Zane, she done a deal with a soldier man already. Alright, so you're there with a soldier man and you know say him a gunman. Him a just legal gunman. And you still give the man bone with a policeman. Jaja. Yo, if you see how the whole environment at the time supposed to traumatizing in a man. And then to how this thing blew up in the media. Cause me see everybody and their mother I do a meme about it. I put up video about it. And that's why me decide to forward on my platform and talk about it too. Alright, so the official report is, and this are the report I get from the Cleaner. Alright? Soldier shots cop in a reported love triangle in Portmore. The police are probing the shooting of a cop allegedly by a soldier. Yo, I see we can't read the article with a straight face. Alright. The police are probing the shooting of a cop allegedly by a soldier in a reported love triangle in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine last night. The shooting was confirmed by Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, the head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit. She was not immediately able to give details. However, it was reported that the soldier shot the policeman after arriving home to find his female companion in compromising position with the cop. The woman is also a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. The policeman reportedly managed to flee, leaving behind his service revolver. He has since been admitted in hospital and in stable condition. Now people, on a big man level now, make you laugh, Zane. Make you laugh off of this story because the man is dead. Him get binds, but him not dead. So once no death is involved, you can laugh. Alright now, about 6 times I have to read over that a while ago, you know, because every time I read it, it's like I be a laugh, me I say, yo, Jano Star. So watch your style, you know. You know, see, the argument is bigger than me. You know, see, I be a gun people. No, fear man is a police. The man where she a give bun with is a soldier man. And she a police. Jano Star. I swear, I feel like say, how where did Jungle do? How where Jungle don't go boss there? This whole situation remind me of when Cartel they lock up in the house and the girl a ball out.
Don't kill him enough, don't kill him enough, don't kill him enough. We got ball out. Don't kill him enough, don't kill him enough, don't kill him enough.
Big up JYTV. Are you me here with a song upon your review? I'm gonna just off it it dog and put it in my review too. You see me? Because pitch that when the soldier man forward and him a walk around and I wonder.
When me boxers, when me put me shoes.
Anyway, still, put fun and joke aside. Zane, some serious talk now. Serious talk. Me I try be serious. Ladies, you don't need to know what you do because the situation could have turned out different. We could have under here a report something different. She could have dead. The three of them could have dead. Like all if one child involved in the relationship. Well, the reports, the news not say that, but me I say, like everybody could have dead, house burned down and everything. So just be careful, yo. If you know I give bun, you know try deal with the thing better, no man. You go bring one man in your man house, and probably in a bedroom to you can manage when soldier probably all figure to hide or figure something at the house and come knock. Honey, I'm here. And holy if you realize say policeman dey on top of him wife, the man no must pop off and squeeze. All him a want joker to, you know, because him a run left him gun. Dog, you coulda dead. Anyway, still, a lot alone me have to say on the situation. You see me? So, I want to leave on the thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this whole soldier man, policeman drama, something there. Gunman in she hole. She likes that. I wonder if she there with a bad man too. Cause probably she there with one of them bad man there, no. I mean one of them bad gunman there. I mean a soldier man and a police. I don't know still. Cause she look like she bad. She sound like she bad. I don't know. But leave it in the comment section below. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Don't forget to comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this whole topic. And people wanna remember one way and any other way are the wrong way. And for now, give a little bun. Give it with caution.